Hey guys, what's up? This is Sarthak and welcome back to another Matplotlib series video. In this video, we will see how you could make a bar chart. So without any further ado, let's get on to it. As always, we have to create a new Python file. I am going to name it bar chart and there we go. By the way, I have changed my editor. I'm using Sublime Text now. So now we are ready with the code and we will make two new lists. So let's just start off with X and Y. Let me just enter some random bits over here. 2. So to plot this, you have to say plt.bar and then you have to just write X and Y and that's it. Let's just see what's the output. So here's the output. As you can see, bar chart has been written and the graph shows some bar charts 2, 4, 6 and 8 plotted at 2, 4, 6 and 8. So we have left out the odd one out, but you could fill them as well. So we're gonna fill them now. So we'll create another list called x2 and y2. So let's just fill them out. Plt dot bar x2 y2. Let's just add a label. First bar, then add another label. So as you can see, first bar and second bar has been labeled and you could see everything straight away. You could even change its width, but we'll let it be like that.